Hey guys, Ed here, and in this video I'll try to show you how to use these tools. I bought a kit with the glue gun, the dent removal kit, and I used it before, and I don't know if you guys saw the video I did before, but today we have a simpler project because all we have is a dent like this. Okay, it's not that huge as the previous one. Okay, you see this? Obviously you see the dent. And yeah, I'll try to remove this because meanwhile I have another project here going on. I'll remove this dent. So first thing what I did, I took the gun, put the glue in it, and now it's heating up. And it's not ready yet. So I'm waiting. It has the light here. Comes on, and then when the gun will heat up, it's a little bit too cold outside today, but once the gun heats up and the glue, this is glue, and it starts to melt, we will take one of these pins like this and we will glue them on here and pull the dent out. So this is the plan. So I'm waiting now for gun to be ready, and using this one I'll just pull it out. Okay, so waiting for the gun. Alright, so it looks like our gun is ready, and what I'm doing here, I'm gonna put some glue over on the tip. Yep, just 2 pushes, it's enough, and once it's ready, just glue it on the dent. Actually, what I had to do, take the red. With this help. Right. So this is how it looks. Okay, you see the dent, you see the thing. So now we'll wait a couple minutes for this thing to dry, the glue. Okay, so while the glue dries up, let's take our tool, whatever it's called. So you put the tool here and take. This is pretty much how it's gonna look. Okay, now I'm gonna a little bit pull it out. Oops. Need to put more glue and take this off. You can use alcohol to take this off. In the kit you also get the removal tool, so just remove the glue. Don't worry, you're not gonna scratch it. So again, remove this. Alright, let's try this again. This time I'll use more glue. Okay, this much. Okay, now I'll wait a little bit more for it to dry. Alright, another minute passed, let's go. Let's try to do this. Oppa! Like new. I'll show it to you. Okay, now I just have to remove the glue. from here. Let me remove the glue, I'll show you the result. Okay, so here's our fender, and there is a little dent. I'll try to show it. A little dent right here, but okay, I think now, as you can see, it's almost out. I mean, it's like 99% out, and it looks way better than before. Okay, the thing is, you could actually take the fender off and bend it out from the inside, the same dent. Well, I used this tool. It was way faster. It took me like maximum 10 minutes, everything. So yeah, it worked out this time. Oh, okay, so now like this, I think you would actually see the dent. But it's small, it's not, it's minor. And yeah, well, cool. It worked out this time, and I'm pleased. So if this helps anyhow, press like and have a great day.